Hi guys! For today's video, we're gonna show you how to cook the famous dish in Philippines, which is beef tapa. So let's start. So these are all the ingredients. So first thing to do, we're gonna do the marination. Half cup of soy sauce. Half cup of vinegar, one head of chopped garlic, mix a little bit, then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can also use white sugar if you want. And then I used 4 pieces of bird's eye chili. So mix all together. After this, make sure you have to let it rest for a minimum 1 hour to absorb the taste. So here it is. So after 1 hour, we will start to do the boiling of the beef. So as you can see, it's already boiled. So we can add a little bit of pepper. So mix all together. And let continue boil until it becomes dry. So here it is. Add a little bit of oil. Then after that, you have to mix all together. So as you can see, the juiciness of the beef. It's almost done. You know guys, this is one of my favorite dish in Philippines. You will try this at home, and I must say that this is so delicious. You will love my recipe. So here it is, beef tapa. Enjoy! For more videos and updates, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you. Bye!